Hello students, today we will discuss about character of Othello। देखिए एक ओथेलो प्ले है जो कि शेक्सपियर ने लिखा है। उसमें मेन करेक्टर है ओथेलो। आज हम उसके करेक्टर के बारे में बात करेंगे। ओके, ओथेलो इज अ पावरफुल एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग करेक्टर दैट डायरेक्टली अपील्स द नोशंस ऑफ द ऑडियंस। Though he comes from the royal lineage, yet he represents the common man of the society. He wears all the qualities of a tragic hero, but the fatal flaws of his character brings him down close to the reality of a common man. Yet his previous adventures, life full of hardships in the battlefield impresses us and leaves an impression of a real hero। ओथेलो जो है वो एक रियल हीरो है। ओके, एक पावरफुल स्ट्रॉन्ग करेक्टर दिखाया गया है इसमें, लेकिन वो अपने भाग्य से हार जाता है, एक गलतफहमी का शिकार हो जाता है। ओके, तो फर्स्ट है इसका ए ग्रेट सोल्जर। द पोर्शन ऑफ ओथेलो's लाइफ दैट इज विजिबल रिफ्लेक्ट्स हिज प्रीवियस लाइफ एज अ सोल्जर दैट कवर्स अ मेजर पार्ट ऑफ हिज लाइफ। मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ऑफ हिज लाइफ ही हैज स्पेंट इन वॉर एंड कैम्प। The portion of Othello's life that is visible reflects his previous life as a soldier that covers a major part of his life. Most of the time of his life as a soldier that covers a major part of his life he has spent in war and camp, he himself describes. It was Othello's honor and respect as a soldier that compels the Duke to think in favor of him. At the initial stage of the drama, when Brabantio makes complaint against Othello, Duke favors Othello and gives him complete freedom of speech। देखिए वो बहुत ही ग्रेट सोल्जर होता है, और इसमें क्या होता है कि जब ओथेलो की कंप्लेन करने ब्रेवेंशियो आता है तो ड्यूक उसका ही फेवर करता है और उसको अब स्पीच को कंप्लीट करने की फ्रीडम देता है। नेक्स्ट है ए रॉयल फिगर। ओथेलो बेसिकली कम्स फ्रॉम द रॉयल लाइनेज। हिज अपीयरेंस शोज हिज रॉयल एट्रीब्यूट्स। हिज रॉयल ब्लड ट्रम्बल्स व्हेन ब्रेवेंशियो चार्जेस हिम ऑफ stealing his daughter Desdemona। At one play he is seen saying, "I fetched my life and being from men of royal siege." Next is his dignity। Othello's figure Othello's dignity appears at the very initial stage of the play. He presents himself with much dignity before Duke when Brabantio pulled him, making charge of stealing his daughter. Othello's dignity appears even in his speech. He has control over himself in expression. In the beginning of the play, Othello is presented dignified in his behavior, but towards the end of the play, we observe a dramatic change in the character of Othello. He becomes jealous of his beloved wife, and the cruelty of his character comes in light when he murders his wife. Next है as a lover। Othello, though not introduced as a lover in the beginning, but gradually we find the manifestations of a lover in his character. In Cyprus, when he meets Desdemona, he says, "The above speech and all other like speech prove that Othello is the most romantic hero of Shakespeare. Next is self-controlled. Othello is presented as a self-controlled and disciplined soldier who does not allow his passion to overpower his soldiership. He does not indulge in any anti-human act like adultery, as Iago blames Othello to have with his wife Emilia. As a man of character, he can't bear his wife to be in love with anyone. Though his quality of his character is pretty strong, yet he, with a slight weakness, become the puppet in the hand of Iago. His chastity and control over character is visible in the following speech made by him in Act 1, Scene 3. No van-light winged toys of feathers Cupid seals with wanton dullness, my speculative and officed instrument that might distort, corrupt, and tend my business. Let housewife make a skillet of my helm, and all indignant and base adversaries make head against my estimation. Next, a crowned lover but forfeiting husband. Speculating the character of Othello, now we come to the conclusion that Othello finds solace in his love for Desdemona, but toward the end of the play, he emerges as an immature husband. Though Othello is in a deep love with Desdemona and enjoying conjugal love in his romantic cosmos, yet Iago gets pretty cunning opportunity to ambush this cosmos. Even after joining in the jealousy with Desdemona, his previous love for her haunts his mind. For example, excellent fresh tradition catch my soul, but I don't do love thee, and when I love thee not, chances came again. His love of Desdemona is so strong that he is not easily led to believe Iago's words. At one stage, he scolds Iago in the following words: willingly sure thou prove my love the way be sure of it, thou dost slander her and torture me. Never pray more, abandon all remorse. On earth's head errors accumulate, do deeds to make heaven weep, all earth amazed, for nothing cost, though to damnation add greater than that. It is his love for his wife Desdemona that does not allow him to believe Iago's words at first, by the proof in this regards generated by Iago provoked the basic instincts of a jealous husband, and Othello acts accordingly. It was not easy for Iago to provoke a lover, but he gets success in carrying out his evil intention against a husband. The quiet material from this point of view is that Othello's character is a masterpiece of Shakespeare's dramatic world. Among all Shakespeare's heroes, Othello alone represents the basic instincts of a common husband. Okay, Othello is a powerful and strong character that directly appeals the notions of the audience. Though he comes from the royal lineage, yet he represents the common man of the society. He bears all the qualities of a tragic hero, but the fatal flaw of his character brings him down close to the reality of a common man. Yet his previous adventures life, full of hardships in the battlefield, impresses us and leaves an impression of a real hero. He acts of bravery in the battlefield, won the heart of Desdemona in spite of being black. There are some attributes of his character that can be described as follow. It was Othello's honor and respect as a soldier that compels the Duke to think in favor of him. In the beginning of the play, Othello is presented dignified in his behavior, but towards the end of the play, we observe a dramatic change in the character of Othello. He became jealous of his beloved wife. The cruelty of his characters come in light when he murdered his wife. The portion of Othello's life that is visible reflects his previous life as a soldier that covers a major part of his life. Most of the time of his life he has spent in war and camp. अधिकतर उसका जीवन कैंप में या युद्ध में गुजरता था. Even his strong critic Iago was of the opinion that in the entire vanished there was none who could compare him with Othello in physical strength. It was his bravery that brought him the commandership of the Venetian forces against the attack of the Turks. In Iago's opinion, for their souls, another of his father, they have none to lead their business. Othello himself makes so many speeches that show his inclination towards war and the life of hardship.